Okay, student, we will try to solve next question. That is a different one, and this is good question. Okay, if we have given a is equal to set a is equal to r except 2, means real set of real number except 2, and set b is given a real number set of real number except 1, and a function is defined as a tends to b such that fx is equal to x plus 3 upon x minus 2 for all x belongs to a, then we have to prove that f is bijective. Bijective means, as I have told in earlier classes, that bijective function means 1 1 and onto function. So we have to prove that this given function is 1 1 and onto under given condition. So I have solved here a little bit, because to prove any function to be 1 1, this is very simple task. So as usual, I have taken here x1 and x2 belongs to a, that is domain. Then if image of x1 and x2 is equal, then we have to prove at the last that x1 must be equal to x2. So here I have taken, in place of x I put here x1, and in place of x again I put here x2 in the right side in this given condition. After solving this, just like this, you can see, okay, x1 x2 minus 2x1 plus 3x2 minus 6 is equal to x1 x2 plus 3x1 minus 2x2 minus 6. Minus 6 is cancelled out, 1 minus 6 both side, x1 x2 cancelled out. We have minus 2x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 3x1 minus 2x2. Now shifting this minus 2x2 to the left side, we will get 5x2, and shifting this 2x1 to the right side, we will get plus 2x1, we will get 5x1. In this way 5 will be cancelled out, then we will get x1 is equal to x2. This implied here we have supposed that fx1 is equal to fx2, image of x1 is equal to x2. This implies at the last x1 is equal to x2, therefore this function is 1 1. So this is very simple task, that's why I have already solved this. Now we have to prove that this function is, therefore this function is 1 1 function. Now we have to prove that the given function is onto function. For that purpose, as usual, we will take an element y is equal to fx belongs to codomain b of the function. Then putting in place of fx, we will put here y is equal to x plus 3 upon x minus 2, means fx is equal to y. Okay. Then we after solving this by cross multiplication, we will get xy minus 2y is equal to x plus 3 is this implies xy minus x is equal to 3 plus 2y, and taking common here we will get here xy minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 2y, and this implies here x is equal to 3 plus 2y upon y minus 5. I have already written here. Now students, here x is actually the element of domain, and domain must be r minus 2, means this must be, since x is element of domain, this must be real number except 2. We have to prove this first of all. So see here, since y belongs to real number, we have already taken this as element of b, since y is real number, okay, and also y is not equal to 1. Y is not equal to 1 means y is real number, element of domain, codomain, but not 1. So putting these conditions here, if y is a real number and y is not equal to 1, if y is not equal to 1, then this will be something real number, so this whole will be real number. This implies, putting these two conditions here, we will get x is equal to 3 plus 2y upon y minus 1 will be again a real number. It means domain. This is fulfilling, this whole means x is sort of real number, that is the element of domain. In this we have proved that domain is a real number. Yes, okay. Okay. Now again we have proved that this is real number, but this must not be 2. If this is 2, if x is 2, then let me check. If 3 plus 2y upon y minus 1 is equal to 2, cross multiplication, 3 plus 2y is equal to 2y minus 2. Okay, 2y is cancelled out by 2. This implies 3 is equal to minus 2, which is impossible. This is impossible. Which is impossible. Therefore, x cannot be equal to 2, because this is x and this cannot. Therefore, this implies x cannot be 2. So already we have proved that x is real number, and here we have proved that x is not is equal to 2. It means what is x? X is real number except 2. It means x is this way. X is fulfilling the condition for domain, that is a real set of real number except 2. Now what we have to prove, student, I can rub this portion here. Now we have to prove that since this we are getting the value of x as 3 plus 2y is equal to upon y minus 1. Putting this value here in place of x, whether we get y or not. So since fx is equal to this, putting this value of x here, f, we get 3 plus 2y upon y minus 1. In place of x, we will put this value, okay? Then we will get whether y or not. So see here, in place of x, we are putting this whole value. So left side, if x is replaced by this, right side, that's the x will be replaced by this. So in place of x, we will put this value 3 plus 2y upon y minus 1 plus 3. Since x is replaced by this whole, okay, upon, again this x of denominator will replace by this again, 3 plus 2y upon y minus 1 minus 2. If I will solve this, so I will get directly here, I have the solution here, that is equal to 5y upon 5 is equal to y. Okay, this we are getting. After simplifying this, means taking LCM, here is 1, here is 1, solving this all, we will get at the last 5y upon 5 is equal to y. It means fx is equal to y, what we have taken earlier here. It means this implies that for every y belongs to B, it means for every element belongs to codomain, there exists a pre-image in A, that is domain. It means for every element of y which is belonging to codomain, there exists an pre-image in domain. It means codomain will be equal to codomain of function will be equal to range of the function, and this is the sufficient condition to prove any function to be onto function. Therefore f is onto function, and once f is onto function, and already we have proved that the function is 1 function, and since the given function under given condition is 1 and onto, therefore the given function is bijective function. This is a good question, student. You have to try this question at your home also and have a good practice over this. Okay, thank you.